On to some breaking news coming in at this point. Vijay Mallya outside the London court. Remember, this is a hearing in the high-profile extradition case where the judge is expected to review a video of the Mumbai jail, the Arthur Jail cell, prepared by the Indian authorities to ensure whether he can be extradited on that basis. This is going to be a very crucial hearing there. Vijay Mallya, the liquor baron, outside of the Westminster Court in London, where the hearing is going to take place in a short while from now. Remember, this hearing is regarding the judge expected to reviewing the video of the Mumbai cell where Vijay Mallya could be sent once he reviews the jail. But right now, there are crucial hearings that are taking place. The visuals outside of the Westminster Court in London. My colleague Sanjana now joins me on the phone line with further updates. Sanjana, these are some very crucial hearings that is going to take place, especially at a time when the Indian authorities have been trying really hard to extradite the liquor tycoon, and this case is going to be particularly important because the judge will be expecting to review the video of the Mumbai jail cell as well.
Because Vijay Mallya making this appearance before the London court for a hearing in this case. Let's remember that this is particularly important since the judge is going to be expected to review a video of the Mumbai jail cell, the Arthur Road jail cell. Remember, that was in fact prepared by India for Vijay Mallya. Now, he has been on bail on an extradition warrant since his arrest last year in April, and is in fact fighting extradition to India on charges and fraud and money laundering charges amounting to about 9,000 crores. So let's just take you through what exactly happened at the previous hearing that took place about in July. The judge asked India, if you remember, to submit a step-by-step video of Barrack 12 of Mumbai's Arthur Road jail over the availability of natural light. Remember, that is something that Vijay Mallya was in fact arguing about in court, where Vijay Mallya was in fact expected to be detained pre-trial, during trial, and in the event that he is actually convicted by any court in India. So what's going to happen today in court is that the judge is
Sanjana,
actually
stay with us. Right, Sanjana, stay with us. Let's quickly listen in to what Vijay Mallya had to say outside of the Westminster Court in London.
I show up in court when I have to show up in court, and that depends on the judge. So, I'll be here as directed. I'm not going to make any predictions. As far as I'm concerned, I have made a comprehensive settlement offer before the Karnataka High Court in India. I hope the honorable judges will consider it favorably. Everybody gets paid off, and I guess that's the primary objective. The hearing is on the 18th of September.
Well, Sanjana continues to be on the phone line with us. Sanjana, we just heard a reaction there coming in from Vijay Mallya, where he goes on to say that he has made a comprehensive settlement before the Karnataka High Court, but also his defense team has been consistently maintaining how he is unlikely to get a fair trial in India. We'll reconnect with Sanjana in just a bit, getting us those details, but those are some visuals that you're seeing outside of the Westminster Court in London in a crucial hearing that is taking place, where the judge is expected to review the video of a Mumbai jail cell which has been prepared by the Indian authorities. Sanjana, back with us on the phone line. Sanjana, we just heard Vijay Mallya outside of the Westminster Court talking about how he has made a comprehensive settlement before the Karnataka High Court, but remember, his defense team have been time and again claiming how he is unlikely to get a free and fair trial in India.
That's right. Vijay Mallya is saying that this is why a settlement offer has been made. The hearing is going to be on the 18th of September. Vijay Mallya making these comments outside the Westminster Magistrates Court in London when he was asked if he has convinced the court that he has the means to pay what he will. Remember, this is particularly important since the blueprint of Arthur Road Jail Barrack that shows the two-floor structure with, supposedly all kinds of facilities is in fact going to be presented in a London court. Vijay Mallya coming out and addressing addressing the media. As we have been seeing in this case, a lot of experts, a lot of people in India, and of course the world over saying that Vijay Mallya's lawyers have made some rather ridiculous defenses in court. One, of course, being this jail cell in the past as well. We've seen, a rather weak defense coming in regarding the CBI probe. So the Westminster Court now in UK will review the video of this Arthur Jail barracks submitted by the CBI via the Crown Prosecution Service before the bench hearing the Vijay Mallya extradition case. The barrack is where India, remember, intends to keep Vijay Mallya, who is an accused of defrauding Indian banks to the tune of 9,000 crores. Now, what we understand is that quite a few amenities are already fitted inside this barrack, but we still don't have details of that as yet. But Vijay Mallya coming out, addressing the media, saying that he's made a comprehensive offer and he is hoping that the judges will in fact review that. Now, the Westminster Court is likely to reserve its verdict on the extradition plea filed by the CBI today. In case, let's remember that in case the court does in fact rule in India's favor, an order will be issued after that. This is how it will go. The order will be issued to the UK Home Secretary to sanction the extradition of Mallya. But however, let's also remember that he could challenge the verdict in the appellate court following the apex court. Back to you, Apurva.
All right, many thanks, Sanjana, for joining us and getting us those bit-by-bit details and the procedure that follows next with that hearing that is currently underway in London. Let's quickly listen in to the reaction that we just got of Vijay Mallya from outside of the court.
Show up in court when I have to show up in court, and that depends on the judge. So I'll be here as directed. I'm not going to make any predictions. As far as I'm concerned, I have made a comprehensive settlement offer before the Karnataka High Court in India. I hope the honorable judges will consider it favorably. Everybody gets paid off, and I guess that's the primary objective. The hearing is on the 18th of September.